This is Atif Mahmood once again, and today is the video about demonstrate how to install a hard drive. First thing I want to talk about few hard drives we have here. Of course, that IDE, the old connector hard drives, I don't have it anymore because those are not used anymore in the technologies. And this hard drive is usually more used in laptops. It's a 2.5 and the size of the hard drive is 750 gig. So you can see it has a SATA connector, and this is the most fastest hard drive out in the market. Is a SSD hard drive. It is a flash. It saves everything in the chip itself. There is no platter that moves around, so they are expensive. And this is a regular hard drive which I am going to install in this computer. It is a Toshiba, and it is actually 1 terabyte hard drive, and I like to install in this workstation for this video. So gently make sure the computer is completely off and power it's unplugged, and slightly go ahead and slide that in. Then you need two of the screwdrivers, and you can either use the flat one if you have small flat ones, or you could use the, there we go. Now you have this one going on. There we go. So once it's done, and find a SATA connector that usually comes from the power supply, plug it in. This this hard drive actually already has Windows in it, which was installed previously on the similar motherboard. So let's plug in the power and see if we install it right, and we are able to see the power light on the motherboard. Turn the power on and see if it boots. There we go. We're getting a display. Let's see if it's going to boot. There we go. It's posting fine as expected. This completes the video demonstration for the chapter 5, installing a hard drive in a computer. Thank you very much for watching this video.